Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata. Let's say you guys have a Hyundai Sonata, you have engine light on and you guys have any of the following codes. I'm talking about code P2125, P2126, P2127 or P2128. Stay with us, we'll explain most likely what causes that. It could be multiple things, make sure to stay until the end, we'll cover all that. We'll explain what is the most common reason and what else it could be as well. In addition, we will explain which computer we use for car diagnostics, because many of you constantly ask me in the comment section below guys which computer you use and all that stuff, so we're going to cover that as we go. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys, everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So with that being said, 2013 Hyundai Sonata guys, if you have any of those codes, let's explain what is the number one reason for that. This is the computer, we're going to talk about that in just a little bit. We're going to share the most common reason for that code and what else it could be. So again, make sure to stay until the end because we're going to explain most of the possible scenarios guys. So this is your throttle pedal, accelerator pedal. When you press it, it's electronic. It sends a signal to the engine computer how much it's pressed so it can open the throttle body. If it's malfunctioning, that throttle pedal guys, right there, or the wiring harness is broken, unplugged, eaten, something like that, what can happen? You get any of these codes. Or sometimes it's just a bad throttle pedal that triggers the code. So we have a video on the channel how to replace the throttle pedal. Also we have a video on the channel that explains guys how to test it. So all that will be on the channel. It's not very complicated and we will teach you how to do that. What else can cause these codes? Now before we continue, let me tell you guys about the engine computer that we use here. I need to tilt it a little bit this way because perfect, the light is in the way. So this computer works practically guys on almost any car you can think of. It's amazing. You can see all the different makes that it supports. You can even work on Ferrari, Lamborghinis. Amazing computer. Hyundai is right here. With the help of that computer you can access every engine, every module, every computer, engine computer. You can delete, read codes and see live data. So that makes it a super powerful tool that can pay itself off in just one-time use. But with that being said guys, what else can trigger any of these codes, P2125 all the way to P2128? It could be the wiring harness that goes to the throttle body as well. That wiring harness, if you pay attention, it's right here. Never touch around the radiator fan without the car battery disconnected. First disconnect the car battery, then touch there, because if it activates it can cut your hands off. Now on these modern vehicles guys, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect first, otherwise you can cause quite a bit of electrical damage on the vehicle. We have a special video that explains that and I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below. If the wiring harness is good, it could be a bad throttle body too, or it could be just a dirty throttle body. We clean half of it, check it out, half is clean, half is dirty. Humongous difference. If it's dirty, it may be sticking, not opening, closing correctly. As a result, you get these codes. Now, if you want to see how to clean throttle body on Hyundai Sonata, the video is on our channel, so please check it out. All that, will be shared there. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you having any problems like that. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.